Good morning. It is 8 o'clock and we start in 2 hours. So we have not a lot going on. We have the opening ceremony. We have open ceremony. We have rituals. We have a couple of classes, some safety briefings. Nothing big going on today. Allergies is coming up, but nothing big going on. This is very rare. We got the water over there. We can walk down to and everything. But that's pretty much it. Today's a light day. I have a class tomorrow. We have like 4 or 5 classes tomorrow. I'm doing one of them. I'm doing 2 classes, 2 priestess ordinations. That's what it. My brother made this shirt. Of course, I gotta get it in pink and I got it in purple. So that's about it. There's not too much going on. It's early in the morning. My allergies are kicking my motherfucking ass. We not friends. That's pretty much about it. I will check in again towards the end of the day. Yeah, we are doing the tarot. I'm using the 8 coin tattoo star. The tattoo. I'm using that for everybody. So we're doing that, and that's about it. So I will see y'all later on. Hopefully not at night because I need to get some rest. I'm still tired from my drive. A 16-hour drive by myself to Georgia. I did that. See y'all later.